In this video, I'm giving you a beginner-friendly walkthrough and honest overview of how Daylite CRM helps manage clients, projects, and sales in one connected system. Daylite is built specifically for Apple users, allowing you to store contacts like clients, leads, vendors, and team members, while linking them with emails, meetings, tasks, and projects, so nothing slips through the cracks. Its project and task management tools let you break work into stages, assign due dates, and connect tasks directly to contacts or deals, which helps teams stay aligned without juggling multiple apps. One standout feature is its deep integration with Apple Mail, Calendar, and Contacts, making it easy to link emails, schedule meetings, and track communication directly from your inbox. The sales pipeline feature allows you to monitor deals from start to finish, add notes and documents, and forecast progress more clearly. While Daylite works best within the Apple ecosystem and may not suit non-Mac users, it can be a solid option for agencies, consultants, and teams wanting an all-in-one Mac-native CRM. Subscribe for more honest CRM reviews and simple tutorials that help you choose smarter tools.